So dear students, let's understand, let's revise another type of infinitive, that is bare infinitive. We always use first form of the verb in bare infinitive. Bare infinitive is used with modal auxiliary. Clear? There are many uses, there are many rules. With them we can use bare infinitive. So let's try to understand bare infinitive through the sentences. In the first sentence you can see, we must help others. You can see here, after subject the modal auxiliary verb is given must, and after that we always use what? First form of the verb, that is help. The sentence is correct. Clear? The first use is what? Bare infinitive always used with modal auxiliaries. Clear? Second one is, wherever, dear students, wherever you find the verb make, bid, let, see. Clear? In active voice, you can see the main verb is given. Clear? In active voice, in with those verbs, you always use what? Bare infinitive. You can see here, study. I make my students study. Clear? I make my students study, not to study. To study will be wrong because make, causative verb is given here. That's why we use what? Bare infinitive. And you know very well, let always take first form of the verb, bid always take first form of the verb, see always take first form of the verb. Next rule, next sentence, I had better. Had better. This is an expression. Had better, had sooner, had rather. Wherever you find these expression in a sentence, one by one, after that you always use what? Bare infinitive, first form of the verb. Clear? So the sentence is correct. I had better help him. Understand? Next one is, why not? You can see the expression. Whenever you find the expression why not and why, after it you always use what? First form of the verb. So you can see, why not to start a new business? The sentence is wrong. Why? Because to start is used here. At the place of to start, we will use only what? Only start, bare infinitive. Clear? The right sentence will be, why not start a new business? Understand? Next one is, he does nothing but laugh. You can see here, he does nothing but laugh. There is main verb, that is fifth form of the verb, and next one is laugh, that is first form of the verb. Dear student, this rule is related to but and except. But and except if in any sentence before them, clear? Before them you find the word anything, clear? Everything, and nothing, and nothing, and before it there is the verb do, does, and did. You can see in this sentence, you can understand the rule through this sentence. But is there, clear? Before it nothing is there, and before it does is given there. So after it we always use what? Bare infinitive. For bare infinitive, first form of the verb. Understand? In this way you will revise your topic infinitive. Clear? And after that I will give you worksheet to solve related to infinitive and bare infinitive. You will solve it, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.